Hello everyone, welcome to Quantum Guruji. So today in this video we are going to see how to do the calculation for electron localization function using Multiwfn tool. So we'll be using the output file and the formatted checkpoint file from the Gaussian, and we'll use that to generate the electron localization function using Multiwfn tool. Okay, so we'll start then. So I am having the optimized geometry with the formatted checkpoint file over here. So I have taken one aromatic molecule over here. So I'll show you the molecule. So this is my molecule where I am having a aromatic ring over here, the both sides. Okay, so I'm interested for the calculation of electron localization function for this molecule. So first what I will do is I will open my Multiwfn tool program and I'll double click over there and I will drag that formatted checkpoint file and I'll put it here, press enter. Then okay, now we need to select option number 4, which talks about the output and plots specific property in the plane. So we'll select 4 and press enter. Now here we are interested for the electron localization function, which is the serial number 9. We'll select serial number 9 and press enter. Now here we have to select serial number 5, which is shaded relief map with the projection. So we'll select 5 and press enter. Here we are not going to change anything. We'll take the recommended value and press directly enter here. Now here it depends on you how you want to project your ELF. You want to project in XY plane, XZ or YZ plane. I'm going to put in the YZ plane for better understanding. So I'm going to select 3 over here, which is talking about the projection in YZ plane. Okay, now it will ask for you the X value, that is the X plane value, where you want to keep the distance between your ELF. So here I'm going to take the default value, which is 0.2. Okay. Okay, once you have selected all those values, automatically you will after some time you will see one picture will appear over here, and this is the ELF for your molecule. So here you can use the up menu to make this figure up. It will take some time based on your speed of your system and other thing. So okay, so you can make use up for making your figure up, and you can use down to make your figure down. So it takes some time. So you can see now it is changing. Okay, it is taking some time because it needs some. My laptop is getting older. I need to get one new. Okay, so this way you can see how your ELF looks like. And once you are done, just click on return. Now if you want to save your ELF, you can just simply select 0 here, select 0 and press enter. Once you press enter, a file will be saved in your Multiwfn tool. Here you can see that file name will be dislin.png. Once you double click, you will see that file with ELF, and the quality of figure will be also better. You can see over here, right? Okay, so this is our aromatic ring, and these are our hydrogens, and this is that carbonyl group over here, where the electrons, that these are the lone pairs of oxygen, localized lone pair of oxygen. Okay, so this is the ELF for that molecule that I have shown you. If you have any doubt pertaining to this video, put in the comment section. Thank you for watching the